Hello, in this video we are diving into the world of Excel and exploring the one of the most powerful feature of Excel, that is pivot table. Whether you are new to Excel or looking to level up your data analysis skill, you are come to the right place. We will be using a sample data sets with a column like date, region, sale, representative, customer, product and cost of goods sold and sales. Let's get start the video. Pivot tables are the fantastic tool in Excel for summarizing, analyzing, and gaining a meaningful insight from the large dataset. They allow us to quickly rearrange and aggregate the data to answer important questions. Today, we are going to walk through the step by step process of creating a pivot table with our sales data. Step 1, preparing your data. Before you creating a pivot table, it is essential to ensure that our data is well organized. Make sure you have a header and row with the clear column name, and there are no empty cells within your dataset. If this condition ensured, then you can move on to the next step of creating a pivot table. Then after ensuring these steps, first select the entire table by Ctrl A, then go to Insert tab, then choose Pivot Table. Then you will get one pop-up that the table range. If you make any changes in the range, you can make it here, and it will ask for whether you want your pivot table in the fresh worksheet. Then I click new worksheet, then I hit OK. You will see a pivot table field list on the right. This includes all the column with the heading like date, region, sales, whatever you have in the table. It includes all the column heading, and it also has the filter, column, row and value. For example, for this dataset, if you want to calculate or compute the sum of sales according to the region wise, just select that region to the row and drag it here, drop it here, then drag and drop the sales to the value. It will automatically calculate the sum of sales based on the region. If you want to remove that region or sales value, you just unclick on this and sales. Then if you want to show that sales value in a percentage, just click on a drop down here, then go to value field setting, then show value as, there you show value as, select percentage of grand total, then click on OK. The value is converted into percentage. Here you can make many changes as you wish. You can change count, average, or if you want to change the value as, anything you can do in the value field setting. So by this way you can do many analysis of your data by using pivot table. You can do many things using this pivot table. You just need to drag that column or the column heading to the wherever you want, if you want in a column or in a row, or you want to calculate the sum, or you need to do any average or count of that, you can drag it. If you want to filter the data, if you want to filter based on the product, you can put it over here and you will get one option here, drop down. You can click it and you can filter it by using pivot table. So if you want to arrange this data or sales value in ascending order, just click on the drag drop down here and go to more sort option, then here click on ascending order, then drop down here, then based on the sum of sale, click on that and hit enter. Your data is arranged in ascending order on the basis of sum of sale. This is how you can do many changes of your data in the pivot table. It's a very useful tool for data analysis. You can solve many questions on your data by using pivot table. Just play with it and you can access. For this data set, suppose if you want to calculate the or compute the number of customers for each region. For this, you have to take off the sales from the value and you just need to select customer and drop it to the value section. It will automatically count your number of customer for each region. If you want to change the customer from some, you can change it over here. You will get many options like sum, count, average, max, minimum, product, anything. If you want to sum it off, just click on sum and hit OK. Don't give the sum option because the number of customer, because it's a categorical variable, it automatically give the count value. So I will change it to the count, then hit OK. If you want to show this the count of customer in a percentage basis, then go to value field setting. Then here we have to choose show value as, here show value as the percentage of grand total. Then click on that and hit OK. It will convert it into percentage. This is how you can do some manipulation using. So we have created a pivot table that allow us to analyze our sales data from various angles. Pivot tables are a versatile tool and I encourage you to explore and experiment with a different field and calculation to gain valuable insight from the data.